Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to customize the lock chime of your Tesla for when you walk away from your car and you hear a sound play. I also want to show you guys how to do custom lock sounds. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys is just how to change your lock sound, how to customize it to the ones that already come preset on your Tesla. If you head over into your toy box and under this boombox icon here, you'll see kind of some options here. You can actually use your megaphone here, but this is the option we're going to be talking about today, is this lock sound feature. Go ahead and enable that lock sound, and then in this drop down, there's lots of options that you can choose from that already come preloaded on your Tesla. So all the way up at the top, you get some charged up ones. Jingle, if you want to spread some holiday cheer. I love that. Right now, I just have it set on kind of a basic chirp. And, there's other options you can see here. If there's one that you really like that suits you, go ahead and pick it. What we're going to be showing you today is how to add custom lock sounds using this USB feature down here. So what we're going to do first is we actually have to get our USB drive out of our glove box. Let me go over there and show you how to do that. Now that I've shown you guys how to change your lock sounds using the Boombox app here in our Tesla, I want to show you guys how to add your own custom lock sounds to be able to use that USB feature here. We're going to go ahead and open our glove box using the home button here, opening up our glove box, and we're going to be grabbing our USB drive out of the glove box. You have to go over to your computer and add some files on here. So I'm going to reach down in here, grab my USB drive. This USB drive holds all of your Sentry data, all your Sentry mode data, all your videos and things like that. We can also add custom lock sounds to this. Let's head to the computer. I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how to do it. So we have the USB drive out of our Tesla. I went ahead and plugged it into my desktop computer. And now we're going to come and find some of those custom lock chimes that we want to use for our custom lock sounds. So there's a few different websites I have pulled up here. Not a Tesla app has a great list of custom lock chimes that you can use. Drive Tesla Canada is another great repository of a lot of different custom sounds. I'll show you guys these in a second. And then a custom one called Tesla Deck, which has all kinds of different custom sounds you can find and use too. So we'll go through all of these in a second here. These are super simple. When you're downloading one of these, you have to make sure it's a .wav, a WAV file, and also has to be under a megabyte. All of the sounds I found on these three websites have all of those requirements met, so you're good to go. And this is super, super simple. So if you just come down here, let's look at Not a Tesla App, and just scroll down, kind of shows you the shows, the movies, the custom sounds you can hear. Let's do a couple of these just so you guys can hear some. Let's see some few ones. Star Trek.
Automatic defense procedures initiated.
If you want your Tesla to say that when you walk away from it, I think that's cool. Might be a little cheesy to some people, but hey, you do you. You customize it how you want. If you're a Star Wars fan, you want a custom blaster sound. Any of these are super awesome. You can download them, and I'll show you easily how to make them into a custom lock chime.
Bye, buddies. Hope you find your dad.
Health movies. Spread some holiday cheer. In the Drive Tesla Canada website, it's very similar. Just scroll down a little bit, and you can kind of just play a few of these. If you want a Simpsons fan.
Thank you. Come again.
That's super fun. If you walk away from your Tesla, you have that. In this custom Tesla Deck website, there's lots of options for video game sounds, TV movie lock sounds, general lock sounds. You get the idea. You can change almost any sound you want into a custom lock sound. So I already went ahead and downloaded a few files, some different sound files that I like, that I think are going to sound good in the Tesla. Let's talk about how to get them over onto the actual USB drive. So I have the USB drive open here, and you can see this Tesla cam. This is where all of your Sentry mode footage is stored. You can come and find it here if you ever need to review it. It's all saved on your USB drive and it constantly overwrites. I have some files here that I downloaded. I got about 6 or 7 different WAV files that I think sound really good. Of note, you can only have one lock chime active on your USB drive at a time. It's not smart enough to let you choose which one you want. So you just got to pick which one you want, and then if you want to change it, come do this process again. You can do this in less than a minute once you know what you're doing. So I'm going to pick this, let's do this Iron Man Jarvis lock sound. I think it's really fun. You're going to want to go ahead and rename it. So I'm going to right click, go down to rename, and we're just going to call it lock chime. And that's what we want it to be called. So our Tesla recognizes it when we plug it back in. I'm going to move this lock chime over onto my Tesla drive, and that should be it. You're done. Let's head back up to the Tesla with the USB drive and plug it in and see what it sounds like. We're back inside the car. We got the USB drive plugged back into the glove box here. Let's head back into our toy box, back into the Boombox app, pick our lock sound. Let's go down to the USB drive, and let's see how it works.
Your Tesla is locked up. Sentry mode activated. Sentry mode activated.
Well, that about wraps up this video. I love that Tesla gives us the opportunity to even customize our ownership experience just a little bit more. Adding a custom lock sound for when you walk away from your Tesla in the grocery store parking lot and the car says Sentry Mode activated or plays one of your favorite sound effects. It's a really cool feature. If this doesn't apply to you and you don't like those kind of features, don't do it. But for the rest of us that really enjoy personalizing our Tesla, I think it's super cool. For me, playing a transformer sound when I walk away from my car in the grocery store or at the gym, it's really cool. I like this a lot. Thank you guys for watching this video. As always, links to all of the product reviews will be down in my link tree. So make sure you're clicking that if you want to check out any of my product accessories. Make sure you like and subscribe for more product reviews, more tech features, and Tesla tips. And if you have any questions about anything I went over today, let me know down in the comments. See you guys in the next one.